In the bustling city of Los Angeles, finding the best truck driving school can be a daunting task. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, it's crucial to research and compare different schools based on their reputation, accreditation, and success rate in producing skilled drivers. Next, consider the curriculum and training facilities offered by each school. Look for programs that cover both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience, as well as provide access to modern equipment and vehicles. Remember, thorough training is key to becoming a proficient truck driver. As you narrow down your options, don't forget to inquire about financial assistance and job placement services. Many reputable schools offer scholarships, grants, or loans to help aspiring drivers cover the cost of tuition. Additionally, look for institutions that have strong industry connections and can assist graduates in finding employment opportunities. Once you've selected a few potential schools, schedule visits to tour their campuses and speak with instructors and current students. This first-hand experience will give you valuable insights into the learning environment and culture of each institution. Trust your instincts and choose a school where you feel comfortable and supported. In conclusion, finding the best truck driving school in Los Angeles requires careful research, consideration, and perseverance. By following our expert advice and taking the time to evaluate your options, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful career in the trucking industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more detailed reviews and recommendations. Happy driving!